want to rock your chicken like this, or like this? No problem. This recipe is so simple, direct, no oven, and you will love it. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all newcomers on this page. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow. Lovelies, what I have here are the soft chicken I'll be using. Yes, I'm using soft chicken. They are already well washed. I just need to open them like this, and of course, to make sure that they look so flat, I have to make this for the chicken to be flat. Cut any part that you don't want out of it, okay? Just make sure it is well cleaned, well washed, and get it ready like this. After this, all you need to get is your kitchen towel, because we need to pat dry it for those ingredients we'll be using to be able to penetrate well into this. It's now time to get the salt. This is what I'm doing now. I'll be sprinkling salt all over those chicken. After that, I got my chili pepper. Yes, that's my chili pepper. It has to be spicy, guys, you know now. After that, I sprinkle some oregano on it. After oregano, I'm going to get my garlic. Yes, I love garlic, and with this recipe they come out perfect. After that, I'm just going to get my ginger powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over. If you'll be using fresh ginger and fresh garlic for this recipe, blend them together, turn them to paste, and marinate those chicken with it. Now flip over and repeat the same process with salt, with pepper, with oregano, with garlic, and with ginger. But at the back of it, I'll be using this chicken mixture. If you don't have this chicken mixture that I'm about to use, this very chicken mixture, get paprika and get seasoning. Yes, seasoning like Maggi. Mix it with paprika and sprinkle it at the back. Now flip it over and make sure you repeat the same process. After that, you can see how they look now. You don't need to marinate this for 10 minutes or so. No. To take the flavor to another level, I use this basil and thyme. Feel free to use any herbs you are used to, because after all, it is your chicken. If you try this, you will love it. And I added onions into this. I got this mortar. I love it. Feel free to use your kitchen processor to mix this. After that, I added this Maggi cube into it. You can use knorr, and all you need to do is to mix everything together. Lovely, you will love it. If you don't have this fresh one, get a dried one. It's also very good. Now it's now time to just cream this chicken with this herbs and seasoning. That is what I'm doing right now. I flipped it over and I still cream the back with this super herbs. That is it. So lovelies, I flip it to the left side from the right side to the left side. Now let's continue. Now get a pot, transfer the chicken into it. You don't need to get two pots for these two chicken. Place them over one another, cover it on the middle it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, get them out. You don't need to add water. Don't add water to it. You can see the juice is coming out already. So I'm just going to keep it here. Get another pot, get my vegetable oil, pour it into it, heat it up, and it's time to now put those chicken into the vegetable oil to deep fry. Please fry those chicken one after the other, not two at a time, only if you have a bigger pot than this. Let it be golden brown, turn it over and fry till the side is also golden brown. Yes, let me show you what we have. Tra-la-la. Can you see the back? You can eat it with suya pepper. If you have suya pepper, you can enjoy this. It gives suya vibe and tastes super delicious. The back is so crispy, crunchy, and you know what? Inside is super soft. You can also serve it with fried pepper, roughly blended with super seasoning. Serve it with it. I'm telling you, you will love it. Get your favorite drink or more. Don't let me talk much. Let's move on. And if you like, You can serve it with jollof rice, with spaghetti, with any kind of meal. This tastes super, super delicious. Let me show you how soft it is. Can you see? I removed the bone, and this is super, super crunchy outside, and the inside is so soft. That is how it is. You can enjoy this like suya or more. It is too much. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumb up. Remember to subscribe. Remember to follow. Remember to like. Leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. I appreciate you all. God bless you. See you all next time. Bye bye.